From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Sadia Moore for the city of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Tuesday was National Night Out, and neighborhoods all across the city helped block parties in the name of community awareness. Both Denton PD and the Denton Fire Department were out as well, meeting those who they protect and serve. It was the 35th year for the event and continues to grow across Denton.
It's a great opportunity for neighbors to meet neighbors and for neighborhoods to meet their police officers. Neighbors who know other neighbors always make for a safer community. You know who your neighbors are, you can call them if you need them. And knowing your officers that work your neighborhood is also a great advantage, so you can feel more comfortable reaching out to them and asking them any questions you may have.
It's so nice for the police officers, with everything that's going on nowadays, for them to be able to get together with the community in this kind of an atmosphere. Nothing that's scary. This is all fun, getting to know each other, and it's a great way for the officers in the community to get to know each other and be able to help each other when anything happens.
There will be an informational open house meeting on the upcoming 377 construction project on Monday, October 8th. It takes place at McMath Middle School from 6 until 8. It is a tech stop project, so they will be on hand to answer questions. For more information on the project, visit us377denton.com. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the city of Denton, I'm Sadia Moore. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.